In this video, I'll teach you how to create a table like this inside Power BI. Of course, what makes this table special is that you can filter it exactly like you do in Excel, and this option wasn't available in the built-in table inside Power BI. So quite simply, you can filter whatever you want. Or remove the filters. And you can also search the entire table just like find all. So if I want to search, for example, for the value that equals 1, it will start filtering the rows that contain the value 1. In addition to aggregation, today in the tables total, if you want, for example, to sum these values, you can do a sum. Or if you want to calculate the average, or if you want to get the minimum value, or do a count, or find the unique values, you can do all of this easily within this visual. So how do we do this? Quite simply, you add our visual, which is the advanced table, click on it, and you'll find there are 3 categories for the columns. First, the general data. Here you put the regular data that you don't want to apply any filters to, just like this. This is that data. The progress value is for when you have something with percentages. So it creates a kind of bar for you, which represents the progress that exists. And there's conditional formatting for its color based on the value. The last thing we have is the color text. With color text like this, if you want to assign a different color to each text in that column based on its value, you can do that. For example, if you want completed activities to be in green, activities that are in progress in yellow, and activities that are not started, for example, make them in this color. You can do all of this with these 3 types. And at the same time, as we said, from here you can do a sum, calculate an average, or find the maximum. The settings are very simple in this visual. In the table settings, you can control the font, and you can show those things above. In the header settings, you can control the header itself and its color. In the row settings, you can control the rows, like the colors, the text color, and the background. For the progress column, you can control the column related to progress. There is the color text setting which controls columns like this. You can change the color. How do you change the color? It has a format. You write the word you want to change, for example, completed, and then you write its color. Then you add a comma and write the next word, for example, in progress, and then you change and write its color. Here, the number format, if you have a row with a number, you can give it a specific color like this based on what